1차를 못했으니까 2차에서 더 뼈를 갈아서 나오셨을 것 같아요.
There's a cat crying outside, I don't know why. I think you might want to comment. Should we find out?
이 픽처야. 세상 만들려고 6등 했잖아, 일부러.
Cat tail to the face.
우리
Oh, I'm excited.
여기인가? 여기인가 보다. 지금 와 계실까요?
Oh my god, camera! I bloody knew it. I bloody knew it. I knew he'd knock the camera off. Fuck's sake. Oh my god, cat straight across the camera.
움직이지 않는 거야, 상체는.
엉덩이만.
엉덩이만이야.
I think there's another cat crying at the door. This is getting ridiculous. Right, so there are now 2 cats in here. What? Oh my god. Such an attention whore, aren't you? Okay, right. No! Ah! Play.
나요. 어땠어요? 아니, 근데 아픈 거는
그때가 가장 힘들었던 것 같아.
Oh my god, camera, no! This might be the most problematic reaction I've ever recorded. LOONA! Oh! Look at the dress!
멤버들이 만든 훔친 만약에
Oh, what shit? There's a shitload of Iron Man suits. What the fuck? Why? Oh, here we go. Money! Oh, tail.